4 local lifeguards have tested positive for COVID-19. At least 17 more are presumed positive. 10 News reporter Jennifer Kastner talked to the lifeguard union leader, who says the city is not doing enough to protect them.
So right now we have 4 people positive and we're waiting a couple more tests.
Chris Vanos is the chief steward of Teamsters 911, the union that represents the city of San Diego's lifeguards run by the Department of Fire Rescue. This Thursday afternoon, he told 10 News, now that there's a cluster of positive and presumed positive cases among the guards, he's asked the city to have their beach stations and towers cleaned by a third party.
It might be a big haul for the city of San Diego to professionally clean each and every one of these stations every time someone's exposed to COVID-19, but I think if you're going to have your safety personnel working out there, police, fire, lifeguards, there should be some extra precautions taken for these members.
He said currently lifeguards are responsible for doing their own cleaning. Even though several beach closures are in effect, the lifeguards are still busy doing enforcement and education. Up until last week, city lifeguards were quarantined if they'd been exposed to someone who was symptomatic. But the city has since reversed that per CDC guidelines.
So if you're asymptomatic, you are still required to work, even though if you come in contact with someone that has it, or possibly shows signs and symptoms of it, yes.
Is that okay with you?
At this point, yes.
He says otherwise they'd have a staffing crisis because of the explosion in coronavirus cases among the general public. In addition to cleaning requests, the union has asked the city to reveal what it's doing to track and trace the cluster within the lifeguard unit and what steps are being taken to reduce the virus spread among guards and their families. Jennifer Kastner, 10 News.